I just don't want to hit the lights. Look here on the right, you'll see it like right here next to the sign. You see the cannon sitting here. These are air cannons. What these do on launch day, these things are set to go off. And what that does is it scares away the wildlife. Remember, Kennedy Space Center, wildlife refuge, big wildlife refuge. But you can also see these markers, 1,000-foot markers. As you notice, 13, 12, 11. So depending on which way they come into land, those numbers are getting smaller. That means you're supposed to step on the brakes a little bit harder because the end of that runway is getting closer. So you can see some of our touchdown areas right here on the left. Notice that. Very important, guys. We've only had one perfect landing to date. There you go. First female shuttle commander. Eileen Collins set it down perfectly at 4:58 in the morning, no less. Also, if you notice on each side of this runway, you see ditches over here on both sides. What did we talk about here at Kennedy Space Center in these ditches? Alligators! Another incentive to keep it right down the center. This is very sacred ground, like I said, but there's also a big deal out here where we have a group called alligator wranglers. That's their job. They come out here and gather up alligators. But on launch day, they're out here looking for snake, alligator, wild hogs, all type of different things that get on this runway. Remember, when that shuttle comes back to land, guys, it is under no power. It is a glider. So when it comes back to Earth, they only have one chance for a landing. There's no touchdown and go back up. And there's the loneliest air traffic controller in the world. They used to call him the Maytag repairman. But on landing day, when we're going to land out here, this is the marshalling area right here on the left. You're going to have about 25 to 30 different vehicles out here, specialty vehicles, that are actually going to prepare that orbiter for be able to get it back.
Yeah. For gators, I guess right here. Oh, yeah.
It's opening. It's opening. Yeah, they got the eye on it. There you go. Greg said sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What's the difference between that and any other government job? You know, they used to call it a civil servant.